All right, so there's 10 major steps in creating a blog and launching it, okay? Step one is you want to pick and choose a niche. A niche is a group of products in a certain area. Now, there's a few reasons for this. One, it helps build your authority, helps with SEO, and also just makes your job so much easier, okay? So that's the first thing that you want to choose, okay? Number two is you want to find some affiliate products, okay? And this is good to, if you can't find any affiliate products in your niche, it's good to know this now, not later, right? So you're thinking ahead a little bit. Just get some ideas, brainstorm some ideas. Number three is you want a domain and hosting. And sure, you can build a blog without a domain and hosting, but it's like building a house on sand. You want to own the house, the land that you build on, because it's more secure, right? All right. Step number four is you want to get a good blogging theme that you like. There's free one and paid ones, but get something that you like. Number five is you have to create some key pages, some plugins, and settings on WordPress. Okay. There's key pages like About Me, the privacy policy. You have to disclose that you're an affiliate marketer on your WordPress site. Okay. And step six is you want to create a landing page and choose an autoresponder. Get some emails set up. And I know what you're thinking, well, I don't want to spend money. Well, here's the cool thing. There's a lot of great free tools out there where you can actually create a landing page for free, and it can send out a boatloads of emails, all for free, tons of them. So there really is no excuse. And I can definitely help you, walk you through exactly how to send out these emails and what to do as well, okay? Now, step number seven is you want to do some keyword research and create these content clusters, okay? And that's a whole other topic in itself, is how to rank. But the main thing is you're looking at supply and demand. That's simple economics, right? Going after keywords that don't have a lot of competition but get searched a lot. And there's a lot of ways you can do it, so it is possible and it does work, okay? And step eight, what about AI, ChatGTP? Well, here's the cool thing. ChatGTP can definitely help you a lot when it comes to blogging. However, the main thing is you want your stuff to be, interesting and fun for people, not suck, okay? And because if your content sucks and it's too boring, then you're not going to rank. And step number nine is you want to write the content. And here's the cool thing. Writing content doesn't have to be painful. This is not a medical journal. This is not the perfect novel. It's a blog. It's just a blog, okay? So you could have fun with it. You could put memes in there, funny pictures, funny videos, bullet points, boom, 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 boom. Make this thing simple. And it's conversational tone like you're talking to your neighbor. It's very fun. It's not bad at all, okay, guys? And step 10, is you could promote your blog, repurpose it. There's so many things you could do with a blog post. You don't have to just stop there. There's tons of ways. And before I forget, step 11 is congratulate yourself. You did something that a lot of people wish they could do, but they've never even done it because of fear, self-doubts, talking to their family members and friends, or just negativity on the world and stuff. That first step is the hardest. Once you take that first step and you get some momentum going, you can keep going. You can keep going, crawling, walking, running. So that's the thing. And there's a lot you could do with a blog. And if you want to learn more about blogging and you're like, well, it sounds interesting, but I'm not sure. It's kind of dead, right? Nobody blogs. Can you even get traffic from that thing? Well, I actually created a video that goes over 20 tips and 20 ways of benefits of a blog and how it can benefit you, okay? And if you want to check out this video, just click on the link somewhere in this video, and it will also be in the description as well, okay? Anyways, you have a wonderful rest of your day. Okay, bye.